friend. Today let me introduce our laser welding machine. It is called all-in-one laser welding machine. Let me open the door and show you now the machine. On the above is the water chiller specification, and below is the water chiller, and on the right is laser source, and on the left also showing water chiller degree. And laser source generally we use recast and max. This one is use BWT. Do you know BWT? Why call this machine is all-in-one laser welding machine? Because you wanna save some space for foreign customers, so make this a small one. Let me show the panel of the laser welding machine. Operation panel. If you can use the you operate your mobile easily. Also, you can operate this laser welding machine panel very easily. This operation panel like a mobile iPhone panel generally, so very easy to operate. And also we have 200 languages, so whatever you are from which country, you can easily operate the machine. So whatever which country you are from, so no need to worry about that. And on the panel showing the specification and how to adjusting the machine very clearly. They also showing power. You can adjust it very easily. Thank you.